on to Charlie's toy party. Hi. Look at my last trees. Ah! Go back to Meow Meow City.
What's your city called?
Meow Meow City.
That's cool.
Now you stay in Meow Meow City right now. Boom. You don't go out of Meow Meow City. I'm so hungry. I want to play. You don't go out of Meow Meow City. Ah. So me, you see here. Me, Batman. The spaghetti. I would rather die of him, but he's done.
Pulley and Pools, remember?
Yeah, but
He's like from one of our first videos. For one of our older Crosley's Toy Parties.
you stay up. No out of Meow Meow City. Meow. Turn move it. You see that day? You stay awake. There's so many Meow Meow prints. But that was what they were wanting. That's from him. Comment two or these dies. And him, the red die.
Hey, should we go to bed now?
Meow Meow City, say goodnight.
Good night.
Meow, I don't want to do the night.
All
You
right.
have to stay to night. See you in the morning.
See you in the morning. Let's go check on Huddy. We're putting Huddy to bed now. Mommy's out with her friends. And let's go see. I'm trying to do this all by myself without Mommy here. Huddy. This is Huddy. Good night.